Welcome. On this video we're going to go over the configuration options and probes that you can have with your ACE ACMFT instrument from ACE. The kit comes with the case, the instrument, the lead, a weld coupon, and a choice of 2 probes. The probes come in 2 frequencies, 5 or 50 kilohertz, and as you can see here, 4 different formats. The traditional weld probe, which has this side a tripod configuration and it's more stable. It has the play, pause, stop, and direction of scan buttons and indications on the probe itself. The other options are the pencil probes. They're indicated to those areas where geometry, access to the area of interest come at play. So you have a straight pencil probe that also has the buttons on it for different scan patterns, start, pause, and stop. The transverse probe, which is a different configuration. You can put it against the toe and scan like so, again with the same buttons. And then we have the transverse probe that would need to be scanned in this position to the weld. These are the options that you can have. The kit comes with a choice of 2 probes, so the operator can choose any combination of these 4 probes to make up their kit. So these are the configuration options for the ACE ACMFT kit. Thank you for watching.